cans up off the ground.
Garbage trucks.
Sometimes when I wake up early in the morning, I hear a monstrous sound.
Elmo hears it too.
I look at the window and there's a garbage truck.
Wow!
Picking cans above the ground. It empties the can and puts it back down and drives away so loud. Garbage trucks.
Garbage trucks. Driving through the town, picking cans up off the ground. Garbage trucks. The garbage man drives up in the garbage truck and takes that garbage up.
He dumps it in the back so that it can be crushed. Then he drives out to the dump. He backs up to a pile of all the trash from the town and dumps the whole thing out. Garbage trucks.
Garbage trucks.
Yeah.
Driving through the town, picking cans up off the ground. Garbage trucks.
They come in many colors.
Some are blue, some are brown, and some are green. Yay!
And wouldn't you know it,
There are some that can pick up recycling. Garbage trucks. Garbage trucks.
Wings just like an angel, mystical, wondrous unicorns. One night I had a dream that a unicorn slept next to me. Her hair was white as snow. We were sleeping beneath a willow tree. She woke when I touched her mane, and she opened up her bright blue eyes. She looked at me and said,
Hello, my name is Snowbell. If you wanna go for a ride, just hop onto my back, hold on tight. We're gonna fly above the clouds and through the skies.
Snowbell the unicorn made a beautiful rainbow with her magical horn. Her wings were like an angel. What a mystical, wondrous unicorn. We flew into the stars, passing Jupiter and Mars. She took me beyond Neptune and said that we will be there soon. I couldn't believe my eyes. We had finally arrived at a planet full of unicorns. And just then, the strangest thing, Snowbell began to sing.
Welcome to my home, these are all my friends. We're all different colors, but our love is all the same. We cotton candy made from fairy dust, and hide and seek in the clouds is our favorite game. Would you like to play?
Well, I kinda wanna go back home, though I like it here just so you know.
It's alright, just hold on tight. We'll follow the rainbow.
Magical unicorns making beautiful rainbows with their magical horn. Wings just like an angel's, mystical, wondrous unicorns. I woke up from my dream, and I could not find Snowbell. She must have flown back home on her magic rainbow. What a mystical, wondrous unicorn.
Hey now, looky here. I got a brand new skid steer. A small engine-powered machine, and it can do most anything. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. My skid steer can load a truck, push some heavy things and carry heavy stuff. It can dig down in the dirt, like basements under homes built into the earth. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. It's a snowblower, cement mixer, little excavator, a tiny wood chipper. It's multi-terrain, that means it works everywhere. It rolls on 4 wheels and on tracks as well. That's my skid steer. My skid steer. Dig down in the my skid steer. Dig down in the my skid steer. Dig down in the my skid steer. Dig down. Bulldozer clearing the land. Bulldozer pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. It's a yellow tracked machine, found on mines, farms, and factories. It can push most anything. Bulldozers stirring up debris. Bulldozers help the farmers work by breaking up rocks and digging in the dirt. With the blade on the front and a claw on the back, it can help you build a home just like that. Whoa, it's on a roll. Bulldozer. And they can move through some rough terrain. They can move all kinds of things. Bulldozer clearing the land. Bulldozer pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. Bulldozer clearing the land. Bulldozer pushing rubble and sand. Bulldozer constructing the roads. Move over, it's about to roll. Roll on, bulldozer.
Better move over, here comes the bulldozer. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. The wrench tightens pipes going clang, clang. A hammer hits a nail going bang, bang, bang. A drill is making holes going zzz, zzz. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. You hear thuds and squeaks, cracks and rings. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. You hear bangs and booms, clangs and zings. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. Cutting wires with some pliers going snip, snip.
Cutting paper with some scissors going clip, clip. When you're working with tools, you've got to be real safe by wearing gloves on your hands and goggles on your face. And boys and girls, when you're working with tools, always follow mom and dad's safety rules. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. You hear thuds and squeaks, cracks and rings. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things. You hear bangs and booms, clangs and zings. When you're working with tools, you hear all kinds of things.
Flying low, let's see how far they're gonna go. Flying left, flying right, flying far and out of sight. Colorful balloons flying high, colorful balloons up in the sky. Colorful balloons, so many colors. What is your favorite one? Some are red and some are blue. My favorite too. In the air, flying free. Balloon fun for you and me. Flying
tiny fruit, red and sweet, called a raspberry. Raspberries, oh. Grows on a plant loved by honeybees. Raspberries, I think they're very, very yum. On waffles and in yogurt cups. Raspberries, I like them very, very much, and I just can't get enough. It makes a wonderful jam, juice and pie filling. Raspberries, oh. A frozen treat on top of your ice cream. And they're full of vitamin C. Raspberries, I think they're very, very yum. Raspberries, I like them very, very much. Raspberry. And anytime you can make a cool smoothie drink with frozen raspberries. Hey, can you spell raspberry with me? Okay, here we go. Raspberry. You did it! Great job! Now, come on, everybody, sing along with me. Raspberries, I think they're very, very yum. Raspberries are very yum. Raspberries, I like them very, very much. I like them very much. Raspberry. Let's spell it one more time. Raspberry.
Always ready at the fire station. We're always ready to go. We're always ready for any mission. No time to take it slow. So get in the truck and we will drive right there. The team is on its way. And now we're shooting water at the flames. And we will save the day. When the alarm bell rings, there's no fire that we can't put out. Let's do our thing. Let's save the people in danger now. And we'll save the day with the water hose, like we've trained so hard to do. When the alarm bell rings, set up the fire station with the fire truck. Help them all with the fire truck. To be a firefighter, you have got to stay healthy and strong, so you can lift anyone in danger when things are going wrong. And we're on our toes all day and night, waiting for people in need. We work hard to firefight when there's an emergency. When the alarm bell rings, there's no fire that we can't put out. Let's do our thing. Let's save the people in danger now. And we'll save the day with the water hose, like we've trained so hard to do. When the alarm bell rings, turn out the fire station with the fire truck. Help them all with the fire truck.
Well, I'm a red, round, sweet fruit, but some of us are sour too. If it's not too cold and not too hot, I can grow all over this world we're on. I just start out as a tiny seed, put me in the ground till I'm blossoming. In 3 to 4 years I'll become a tree, and in the summertime you get a taste of me. Cherry, cherry, cherry song. Everybody now, cherry, cherry, cherry song. Sing along, a hot fudge sundae, I'm on top. I'm the best flavor of a lollipop. I'm a warm and gooey and tasty treat when I'm baked in pies for you to eat. I go so well in so many things, from syrup to juice to the smoothie you drink. And I bet you like Coke even better with me. Cherry, cherry, cherry song. Everybody now, cherry, cherry, cherry song. Sing along. Yo, man, cherry out. I gots to go ripen.
I like camels, I like camels, I like camels, yes I do. I like camels, I like camels, I like camels, how about you? Camels are a little bit strange, they have a big hump on their back. Someone told me it's full of water, but really it's full of fat. They walk on their wide cloven hooves so that they don't slip on the sand. And camels can really move up to 40 miles an hour, in fact. I like camels, I like camels, I like camels, how about you? Camels have 3 separate eyelids and lots of eyelashes poking out. 'Cause if the wind picks up and blows sand about, well, the camel still has to see around. And do you want to hear something really crazy about camels? A long, long time ago, before they lived in the desert, they lived in the Arctic. They lived where it was snowy and cold. What the heck? I like camels, I like camels, I like camels, yes I do. I like camels, I like camels, I like camels, how about you?
Bake, bake, let's bake some dough. Bake, bake, off we go. Roll it out into a shape. It's so much fun when you bake, bake, bake. Flour and oil, mix it around. Add water and yeast for a bready feast. Turn on the machines and hear the sound. Whoa, 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 look at it go! A croissant, a cookie, and an ice bun. So much to bake, yum, yum, yum. Bake, bake, let's bake some dough. Bake, bake, off we go. Roll it out into a shape. It's so much fun when you bake, bake, bake. Golden brown and delicious too. Warm and fresh is always best. Tasty treats for me and you. Feel the crunch, munch, munch, munch. A croissant, a cookie, and an ice bun. So much to bake, yum, yum, yum. Bake, bake, let's bake some dough. Bake, bake, off we go. Roll it out into a shape. It's so much fun when you bake, bake, bake. Bake, bake, let's bake some dough. Bake, bake, off we go. Roll it out into a shape. It's so much fun when you bake, bake, bake. Bake, bake, let's bake some dough. Bake, bake, off we go. Roll it out into a shape. It's so much fun when you bake, bake, bake. At the aquarium, there's so many fishes that we get to see. From stingrays to turtles, there's so many creatures that come from the sea. And they keep on swimming through the water. They're all different shapes and different colors. They're shiny and cute or big and scary, covered in slime or even hairy. Wanna see what's in the sea? Wanna see what's in the sea? There's clownfish and sharks and beautiful colors and interesting marks. And there's penguins too that waddle about and are friendly to you. So many things in the ocean. At the aquarium we get to know them. They're shiny and cute or big and scary, covered in slime or even hairy. Wanna see what's in the sea? Wanna see what's in the sea?
Let's make some ice cream, that's funny fun. Let's make some ice cream for our tummy tums. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. I like it sweet. Let's make some ice cream with strawberries. I like it sweet. With whipping cream and bananas, please. I like it sweet. Let's make some ice cream with strawberries. I like it sweet. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Let's make some ice cream with chocolate sauce, warm and gooey nuts and cherries on top. Let's make some ice cream with chocolate sauce. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Let's make some ice cream with gummy worms. Nom nom nom. Green, red, and yellow yummy worms. Nom nom nom. Let's make some ice cream with gummy worms. Nom nom nom. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Nom nom nom. Let's make some ice cream that's yummy yum. Let's make some ice cream that's funny fun. Let's make some ice cream for our tummy tums. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Let's make some ice cream that's yummy yum. Let's make some ice cream that's funny fun. Let's make some ice cream for our tummy tums. Let's make some funny fun ice cream. Yum!
And look at what it is! And you and I are gonna learn about, yep, airplanes! Woo!
All the people, they look like ants when we're up with the birds. On the airplane, the wings keep us gliding. We're on top of the world. So hear that whirring engine and look out on the wing. We're gonna fly, fly, fly till we can touch the sky. We're gonna soar right through the clouds. We're gonna fly, fly, fly. We're going way up high on the airplane in the sky. We're going to fly. Oh, yeah, yeah. We're going to fly. Oh, yeah, yeah. Get your passport, get your luggage too. We're going on an adventure. Wear your seatbelt, feel the plane taking off and take in the view. So hear that whirring engine and look out on the wing. We're gonna fly, fly, fly till we can touch the sky. We're gonna soar right through the clouds. We're gonna fly.